I am going to walk you through how I made this very beautiful design in Canva for completely free. So to start, let's go ahead and hit create a design. We'll be making a 4x5, which is a 1080 by 1350 document. From here, I want to go ahead and add a platform for my product to stand on. In this case, it's this wooden platform here. So I'm resizing it and I'm going to cut off this small piece down here. I don't want to use that piece, so I'm going to drag this up like this to cut that off. The next thing I want to do is to decrease the brightness. I don't want this to be too bright. So with it selected, I go to edit image and just decrease the brightness a bit, like that. The next thing I want to do is to bring in my product. The product that I'll be using is this aloe vera hair and body wash. So I'm just going to click on it, resize it, and position it on top of the platform. Of course, if you have your own products, you'd go here and upload it, and then you can bring it into your document. Now, with the product and the platform already in place, I'm going to bring in the background. For this, I'm using this image here. I got this from, I believe it was unsplash.com, which is a free stock site. So I'm going to position it like this, then I'm going to send it to back. From here, I just want to go ahead and cut off that bottom piece, and then I want to blur it. So with the background selected, go to edit image, click see all here, and then blur it just like this, maybe by about 12. Now I need to also add the bottom part of the background here. So I'm going to select the image again, and I only want this bottom part here, so I'm going to crop the top and then resize it. Then I also want to send this all the way to the back and just position it to where I want. With it selected as well, I'm going to go to edit image, see all, and just blur it a bit. Not too much like the top, and I also want to bring the brightness down to make it a bit darker. Perfect. From here, I'm going to have the aloe vera body wash be reflected below the platform. So go ahead and select it, right click, duplicate, then flip vertical. And you want to drag this below your bottle like this. Now right click it and click send backward so that it's behind the platform but above the background. Then with it selected, we're going to lower the transparency. So bring this down to, let's say, about 79-80. And then we also want to go ahead and blur it a bit. So go to adjust, see all, and just blur that a bit. Now you can also lower the brightness just a tad bit like that. The next thing we want to do is to add this fun little vine here. In order for us to do that though, you have to use this little Canva hack where we're going to be duplicating our subject and then add the vine. Let me show you. So select the product, right click, duplicate, drag the duplicate off to the side a bit. Then you want to select your vine. This vine here, I will leave the link to it in the description where you can download it and try this for yourself. But once you bring it in, you need to now select your duplicate, right click it, and click bring to front because we need this to be on top of the vine. So line up back everything just like this, and then we want to crop the top and the bottom to ensure that only the middle piece is in front of the vine. So drag this down like this and drag the bottom part up like this. perfect. Now, to give this its final touch, we're just going to add some leaves. So I'm just selecting it from my uploads, and then I'm resizing it, position it to where I want, and then while it is selected, go to image, see all, and we're going to blur it just a bit. And oops, where did it go? There we go. And there you have it. We have now created this beautiful design that you can use to showcase your product on social media. Thank you again for watching, and do share this video with anybody who you think might find it useful. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Have a good day.